Database lock is a state of the clinical database where no further changes to the trial data is permissible, and it denotes the completion of all clinical trial data collection, with the subject's information being complete, accurate, consistent, and free from discrepancy. So while the database lock is achieved, this is a statement that signifies how important it is for a sponsor that the database is getting locked, and certainly it would be equally important for someone who's working as a service provider for that particular client or a sponsor. And database lock is achieved after the thorough review that is performed by the data management, the site monitors, statisticians, and the clinical scientists, as we would certainly be looking forward to the final reports, the final data that is going for submissions. Data is logged to prevent any changes to the trial data, and certainly the trial database should be made ready for analysis. For these reasons, we perform a database log so that in the phase where conclusions could be drawn out of the data that has been maintained in the EDC, there should be no further changes that are expected or no further interventions that could be occurring. Now, the scope where we consider database unlocks, though there is no chance that we would leave that a database unlock would be required, but then if a need arises, database unlock would be done. So if there are enough changes or the changes that are serious enough, the study will be unlocked, and there are usually specific conditions that can lead to an unlocking of the database, where restrictions on what can be changed during the time it is unlocked and the requirements that must be met before it is relocked is considered.